Hello guys, Harry here, your NOWDEMY instructor. I'm a YouTuber, computer hardware specialist, and I have a double PhD in computer sciences. I have a big experience in all levels of web development, as well as application desktop development. And one more thing, I know ethical hacking. So guys, let me introduce my channel objective. What makes this journey in NOWDEMY so unique? First, there's not gonna be just one instructor that's gonna teach you everything. Different instructors, they're gonna teach you different aspects of programming. And now let me introduce you the founder of NOWDEMY, Rahat Gu. Say something, Rahat.
Hi there and welcome to NOWDEMY. This is Rahat. I'm a software engineer. I've been worked a lot in software industries and I will be your instructor in the sum of programming courses for the NOWDEMY. So thank you for watching.
Thank you. Our main concentrated languages are HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, PHP, MySQL, jQuery, Node.js, AngularJS, and Python. And one more thing, refer to nowdemy.com to get access to all the premium classes. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and I see you in the next ones.